I'm Vince the Invention Guy. Today I'm reviewing an invention called the Sawhorse system. Now, if you've ever worked with sawhorses or been on construction sites, you'll know that workers commonly cut into their aluminum sawhorses, destroying the sawhorse and wrecking their saw blades. I think the inventor here has come up with quite an ingenious solution, just simply mounting a 2x4 on top of the sawhorse, and therefore the workers can saw right over top of it without worrying about a thing. I think this is quite a good idea for a number of reasons. First of all, I really like the size of the market. Sawhorses are sold readily and commonly. And also, I think that these modifications to the sawhorse are going to be very minor when it comes to manufacturing costs. So I don't expect this to affect manufacturing cost very much. And I think that it may not affect retail price, or if it does, it'll affect retail price marginally. But regardless, the seller of this item is going to have a competitive advantage over their competitors. And again, if the price is more, it will only be slightly more. So I look forward to seeing this product on the market. I'm Vince the Invention Guy. If you have an invention, go to my site at theinventionguy.com for more information on how to develop or license or patent your idea. And thank you for listening.